Hi, welcome to the demo of Application Processing Dashboard. This is a powerful tool designed by Perceptive Analytics to help companies monitor weekly progress and increase policy processing capacity. We built this dashboard for a client in financial services industry. It is designed for COO and operations teams. At the top, we have overall KPIs giving a quick snapshot of weekly performance. In this section, we can track how many applications are in each stage, how long they have been stuck, and where dropouts are happening. Next, we can see a weekly flow of applications, how they are moving through each stage, and where they are getting stuck. At the bottom, we have client-level detailed information to quickly investigate any stuck or delayed applications. We received 82 total applications. Out of those, 7 policies were issued, 6 applications dropped off, and on average, it's taking around 108 days to issue a policy. In the next section, we can analyze application aging by dates since enrollment and current stage. 27 applications have been in the system for more than 140 days since enrollment. We can simply click here and filter next visuals for these applications alone. Out of these 27 applications, 15 applications have been stuck in the same stage for over 80 days. If we click here to see these applications by stage, then we observe that 10 out of these 15 applications are in stage 7 and 4 applications dropped off at this stage. Let's look at the next section now. This is a custom visual that we designed specifically to highlight bottlenecks in a pipeline like this. It helps us see where applications are stuck, how they are flowing across stages, and what needs immediate attention. On the left side, we have a list of all the application stages, from application submission to policy issuance. The same stages are also shown on the top horizontally. For each stage, we can see how many applications were present at the start of the week, how many moved forward to other stages, and how many were still stuck in the same stage by the end of the week. The blue bars indicate movement, that is, how many applications moved from one stage to the next. The gray bars indicate the number of applications that remained in the same stage by the end of the week. Let's take a quick example. In the document verification stage, 8 applications were there at the start of the week. Out of those, 2 moved to underwriting assessment stage and 2 moved to policy proposal stage. So 4 applications did not move. We can see them in the gray bar. They are still sitting in document verification stage. Let's take one more example. The policy issued stage had 0 applications at the start of the week, and by the end, 7 applications were issued. These 7 applications came from different stages, 1 from policy approval, 2 from payment processing, and so on. Now if we look closely, we observe that stage 7, which is medical examination, is clearly a bottleneck here. This week, 17 applications remained stuck in the stage without making any progress. This is a significant number. It signals that overall movement in the pipeline is slowing down, and the stage needs immediate attention to avoid further delays. Let's click here and select the stage to investigate further. This next section here allows you to drill down into specific application details like client name, stage, agent name, etc. Here, these agent notes offer qualitative context. We can quickly see why an application is stuck, whether it's pending medicals, no client response, or document issues. Then we can directly reach out to the agent, operator, or client, whoever is responsible. If the same issues keep showing up, we know where the process is breaking. With this dashboard, teams can monitor weekly progress, identify and resolve bottlenecks, speed up policy issuance process, and increase policy processing capacity. We are your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.